Friends, today I am going to tell you about the 6 best portable ice makers for camping. I have a request from you to watch this video till the end, and if you like the information, then please like, subscribe, share the video. I am getting a lot of love from you guys from this video. Product link in description. When you're RV camping, it's nice to have extra ice on hand without needing to fuss with trays in your freezer or make a last-minute run to the store. The best portable ice makers for camping are fast and easy to operate, saving you both time and money, and some even offer self-cleaning features. There are a few key things to consider when you're shopping around. Speed. Why have an ice machine if it takes hours to make one batch of ice? Many machines will specify how long it takes per 9-cube cycle. The options below range from 6 to 10 minutes. You can also check the machine's capacity, which indicates how much ice it can produce in a 24-hour period and might fall anywhere from 25 to 45 pounds. Machine size. Think about how much room you have on your RV countertop, and how much ice you expect to go through in the course of your camping trip. If you expect to be using a lot, look for a larger ice basket and water tank. Ice cube size. The type of ice cubes you want may vary, depending on what you're using them for. Larger cubes are usually better for sipping cocktails, for example, while smaller cubes tend to be better for crushing up in smoothies. If that versatility is important to you, look for a machine that can make both. Cleanliness. When it comes to ice makers, cleanliness is extra important because, in addition to being unsanitary, dirty ice machines can produce undesirable tastes and smells. For added convenience, some of the options below feature some form of self-cleaning mode. To help you keep your pool out in the wilderness, here are the best portable ice makers for camping. 1. This incredibly popular ice maker that boasts over 5,000 fans on Amazon. Igloo ICEB26HND automatic self-cooking portable electric countertop ice maker machine can handle 26 pounds in 24 hours, 9 ice cubes ready in 7 minutes, with ice cube and basket flat. Dimensions: 12.2 by 9.06 by 12.8 inches. Capacity: 26 pounds. Product rating: 63/64. Storage: 1.25 pounds, ice basket, 1.89 liters, water tank. What's great about it? With an impressive 5,500 plus positive reviews on Amazon, this popular Igloo countertop ice maker is a fan favorite on the site. The fast and convenient machine, which only takes 7 minutes to produce 9 ice cubes, offers 2 different cylindrical cube sizes. The small and compact ice maker, which is made with odor-reducing food-grade material, features an automated 5-cycle cleaning system too. Available in 5 colors, it has an easy-to-use control panel with LED lights. Best of all, it's one of the smallest if not the smallest option on this list. One reviewer wrote, "We bought this for our camper. Everyone said running out of ice was an issue and wished they had one. I did some research and decided on this one. We were not disappointed. We had ice cubes within 10 minutes. And they just kept coming. We're going to use this in the house when we aren't camping. Easy to clean. Works extremely fast. Thrilled with this product." 2. An ultra-portable ice machine with a handy hook for the scoop. Portable ice maker, 26 lbs/24H self-cleaning ice maker machine for countertop, 9 ice cubes S/L in 6 minutes ice maker machine, 2L ice cube maker with ice scoop basket, hook. Dimensions, not specified. Capacity, 26 pounds. Product rating, 173. Storage, 1.5 pounds, ice basket, 2 liters, water tank. What's great about it? At 26 pounds, this portable ice maker has the same capacity as the first one and the cycles are slightly faster at 6 minutes. The main difference is that both the water tank and the ice basket are slightly bigger. Like the Igloo model, this one has food-grade material inside with a self-cleaning system to prevent odors, and it can make 2 ice cube sizes. As a bonus, the quiet, 15.4-pound machine, which has a noise level under 45 decibels, has a convenient hook on the side to hang your ice scoop. One reviewer wrote, "This ice maker was exactly what I was looking for. Small but great design. Ice came out perfectly made and works as it should. Extremely satisfied with this purchase. Ice is perfect size for your everyday drinks." 3. A sleek and simple ice maker that comes in black or silver. Igloo ICEB33SL large capacity automatic portable electric countertop ice maker machine, 33 pounds in 24 hours, 9 ice cubes ready in 7 minutes, with ice scoop and basket, perfect for water bottles. Dimensions, 14.09 by 9.65 by 11.54 inches. Capacity, 33 pounds. Product rating, 2258. Storage, 2 pounds, ice basket, 2.36 liters, water tank. What's great about it? Another popular option on Amazon, this mini ice maker has almost 2,000 positive reviews. The mid-sized machine offers a bit more space than the first two options, with a 33-pound capacity and a 2-pound ice bucket. The fast ice maker, which can pump out 9 ice cubes in 7 minutes, in 2 different sizes, features a straightforward control panel with bright LED lights. Additionally, it has a transparent lid so you can watch the ice as it works. While the materials aren't specified, it's safe to assume they meet the high quality of other Igloo models, and you can choose from an exterior of black or silver. The only drawback is that it doesn't have a self-cleaning mode. One reviewer wrote, "Works fantastic, and make a ton of ice pretty damn quickly. Super easy to clean. There's a plug on the bottom that you pull to drain the water and rinse through fresh water. Handy for when you're camping or when having a party and you need ice. For this versatile option that also dispenses cold water. Suco 2-in-1 water ice maker, 48 pounds daily ice cube makers, stainless steel ice makers countertop, tabletop ice maker machine with a scoop and a 4.5-pound storage basket. Dimensions, 14.4 by 16.7 by 17.8 inches. Capacity, 48 pounds. Product rating, 438. Storage, 4.5 pounds, ice basket, water tank not specified. What's great about it, if you're looking for a bigger option, this 2-in-1 countertop ice maker and water cooler is just the ticket. With a 48-pound capacity and a 4.5-pound ice storage basket, it can produce a larger quantity of ice, making it a fantastic choice for bigger families or for people who like to camp with friends. And it can have ice ready to use in just 6 to 10 minutes. It's made with food-grade material inside, though it doesn't feature self-cleaning, and it has a simple LED control panel that's easy to operate. A key distinction, in addition to size, is that this machine also dispenses cold water. It even has a cute pouring spout on the side. Another difference is that you can connect it to standard 2-, 3-, or 5-gallon water jugs to keep the tank flowing longer. Just keep in mind they are not included. One reviewer wrote, "This is one of my favorite purchases for my camper. I have it in my outdoor kitchen, and I find myself drinking more water, and the ice machine is perfect for cocktails and keeping ice in my cooler. My kids also think it's really cool to drink water out of this because they can get it themselves." 5. This mini ice maker that can make 2 sizes of cubes. Ice maker countertop machine with self-cleaning function, 26 lbs in 24 hours, 9 bullet cubes ready in 6 minutes. Compact ice cube maker with ice scoop and basket for home kitchen office bar, white. Dimensions, 13.89 by 9.85 by 13 inches. Capacity, 26.5 pounds. Product rating, 1811. Storage, 2.2 pounds, ice basket, 1.7 liters, water tank. What's great about it? This small ice machine, which is similar in capacity to the first 2 choices on this list, is another cult favorite on Amazon. Boasting more than 1,300 5-star reviews, fans noted that it is fast and efficient. Constructed with food-grade ABS plastic and stainless steel, it can crank out 9 ice cubes in 5 to 8 minutes, and it cleans itself with an automated function. Just hold the self-cleaning button for 5 seconds. The popular machine, which makes 2 sizes of bullet-shaped ice, is constructed with a see-through observation window. It is also available in a larger version. One reviewer wrote, "We love our ice machine, it is perfect for our camping trips. Very easy to use. You have 2 choices of large and small ice cubes. Once pressing the button you will get ice cubes ready within 5 to 7 minutes. Very impressed so far with the quality, design and practicality. I would definitely highly recommend to anyone who is in the hunt for a portable ice maker." 6. A fast countertop machine that also makes shaved ice. Syces 2-in-1 countertop ice maker machine and ice shaver, 44 pounds per day, 18 ice cubes in 11 minutes. Automatic/manual water filling with water filter, basket and scoop, stainless steel, ETL listed. Dimensions, 14.9 by 15.7 by 16.5 inches. Capacity, 44 pounds. Product rating, 348.